If you work in Microsoft Word and want to insert objects like files, documents, or embedded items into your page, this tutorial is going to make that process super easy. Whether you're building a report, a project file, a business document, or a training guide, knowing how to insert objects can save you time and help keep everything organized in one place. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and make sure you have the document ready where you want to place the object. This could be at the beginning of your document, in the middle of a paragraph, or near the end, depending on how you want the content to appear. Once your document is open, click on the Insert tab at the top of the Word ribbon. The Insert tab is where Word keeps all the tools for adding extra content, like tables, pictures, shapes, links, and other items. Now, look across the ribbon and find the text group. In that section, you'll see an option called Object. Click Object. And then click Object again from the drop-down menu. This is the command that lets you create a new embedded item or select an existing file to place inside your Word document. When the object window opens, you'll usually see different options depending on what you want to do. If you want to create a new file type, you can choose from the list available. If you want to insert an existing file, you can browse for it and select it from your computer. This is really useful if you want to attach a spreadsheet, a PDF, another Word document, or any other supported file directly into your page. After selecting the file or object you want, confirm your choice so Word can place it into the document. In many cases, the object will appear as an embedded item or an icon that you can click later to open. That means your content stays inside the Word file, making it easier to share everything together without sending separate attachments. If you're inserting an object for a professional document, take a second to check the placement. You can click before or after the object to continue typing, and you can also adjust spacing if needed so the page looks clean and organized. If you're making a report or a form, this can help your document look much more polished. One helpful thing to remember is that inserting objects is different from simply copying and pasting text. An embedded object can keep its original formatting and structure, which is especially helpful for files like charts, spreadsheets, and documents that need to stay intact. So if you want to preserve the original file format, using Object is often the better choice. And that's really all there is to it. Go to the Insert tab, click Object in the text group, and choose Object again to create or select a file to embed. That simple workflow lets you bring extra content into Microsoft Word quickly and efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.